Hello guys, how are you? Travis here alongside Samantha. Welcome to a very special GoPro edition of this Munchpak unboxing.
Sorry. Wait, the picture's not on.
Yeah, it's working. It's just we don't have a front-facing lens. Like I said, this is on the GoPro. Hope you guys enjoy. 4K. Okay, let's see what we got here.
Yay! Yummy girl stuff.
Let's see.
Ooh.
That's an interesting combination.
Ooh.
Piper's Crisp Company, made by farmers. Jalapeno and dill.
I got
Oh, cool. Smurfs.
Smurf sour gummy stars.
Let's try it. We're gonna try that first, I guess.
Ew.
Hold on. Let me take one out for
so
color.
sour.
Yeah, it does say sour.
They're so sour. I'm going to pick the blue.
Okay. Not sure how it looks like a Smurf, but alright.
It's good.
And it's by Haribo too, so. Sour and chewy blue raspberry gummies in the shape of Smurfs. Made in Turkey. Interesting.
Dada, you know what? This is good.
Not bad. Okay. Let's go back to the chips. I'm honestly not a pickle fan, but we'll see.
Kind of good. Show it to
Small
me.
one. Hold on a second, hold on.
We got peanut butter.
Ooh.
Cookies.
Yep, there's the jalapeno. Ooh. Not bad. Hold on, let me see. What is this? Koala Kids. With banana filling. Here, all yours, dude.
Good.
Don't like banana, no offense. Here, let me open it. Oh, you got it. It's made in Malaysia, by the way. It's made in Malaysia.
That tastes good. I got, okay, weird dad.
Okay, chips, we're gonna save that for... We have...
Here, some of this.
Lemon habanero meat stick. Ooh.
This is kind of good.
Made in the United States. Juicy beef and pork stick flavored with habanero spices and lime. Ooh.
We got a lot of 6 chocolate peel. Okay.
Hold on, Sammy. Hold on. It looks like a worm. Ooh. Okay, I taste the lime. So far, so good. That's actually pretty good. Oh, here comes the habanero. Oh, oh. Cowbong corn stick, milk flavor, sweet.
That's kind of good.
Crunchy corn sticks covered in sweet milk powder from South Korea. I like that they put the labels on here now. It looks like a giant cheese puff. I can almost see right through it.
That's good.
Not half bad. Next we have, what's this?
don't want that. Okay.
Win-win. Moral black versus white flavor. Crunchy rolled wafer cookies filled with milk cream. Also from Malaysia. She's opening the chips, I guess. Trying to balance out the sweet and the salty. It's breaking. Not bad. Looks like a cigar. Oh. You know, the taste is familiar. I can't quite figure out what it is. Here, let me help you. I can't quite figure out what that is, but it tastes familiar. DXJ tomato chips.
Ooh.
Crispy chips with ridges flavored like fresh tomatoes.
Ooh, that's kind of good. I really want to try it.
Made in China.
What? No.
Yeah, it says made in China. Can't open it.
And be careful.
It won't come out. It looks like a heart.
It looks like a footprint. I'll get some juice.
Very, very interesting. It tastes like tomato soup a little bit.
Ew.
Don't be a tomato soup hater.
Ew.
Alright, next we got Cadbury sandwich snack cracker. Vanilla crunchy biscuit covered with milk chocolate. In the United Kingdom. I don't know about the United Kingdom, but I know about the animal kingdom. You get it? Awkward silence. Okay. Break off a piece for texture. Not bad. You really can't go wrong with Cadbury. What's next? Okay, I'm waiting.
Oh, thought I might be a little.
Grand Art. She something Toscana al rosemary roll. Hey, it's Italian, alright. Crunchy baked crackers flavored with olive oil and rosemary. Sweet. I've actually had something like this before. Hang on. Trago's waffles. 2 toffee waffles with soft butter toffee center. Sweet.
Good.
Okay, so I have had this before.
I like it.
Do you? I'm gonna have to vacuum out to this. That's pretty cool.